Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing fresh batteries and confirming polarity because low power causes dropouts. Power on the receiver first, then the transmitter so the receiver can scan. Once powered, set receiver group/channel and match the transmitter. This syncs RF and audio paths. Make sure the receiver's antennas are upright and positioned toward the stage or presenter to maximize line of sight, and keep the unit away from Wi-Fi routers and large metal objects to reduce interference. Once the devices are on, perform an IR or manual frequency sync so transmitter and receiver share the same frequency. This prevents hiss and dropouts. Next, connect the receiver's output to your mixer or amp using XLR for balanced runs or 1/4 for instrument channels. Then set input gain low and have the presenter speak while you slowly raise gain until peaks sit near -12 decibels. This gives headroom and avoids clipping. Make sure phantom power is off on mic inputs unless using. Finish with a full sound check. Listen for clarity, adjust EQ, and confirm monitor mixes so the performer hears themselves. Secure the transmitter on the talent, lock controls if available, and engage any limiters to protect against overload. If you experience audio dropouts, immediately check battery voltage and replace if low, reset the IR sync or retune to a clean frequency, and move receiver antennas or the transmitter to restore line of sight. These steps solve most wireless mic issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.